Hi there, today I'm going to be talking about Mario Badescu's facial spray with aioli, cucumber and green tea. So I got this only a few days ago, but I can't tell you how much I've heard about it. So this Mario Badescu skincare products are really popular. So I've heard about this for a while now, but I finally decided to go out and get it. I wasn't so much looking for it, but I came across it in Anthropology, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up just because I've heard so much good things about it, and I hear everyone talking about it. You hear beauty gurus, you hear influencers, hell, even Martha Stewart has talked about it on her show and about how good all of Mario Badescu's products are. So, you know, it's something really that I've been wanting to get, and I decided to get finally. So this particular one contains aioli, cucumber and green tea. Those are the main ingredients. But if we have a look at the products, so those are some of the products. So there's fruit juice, there's cucumber, as you can see. So there's extracts from cucumber. I don't believe it is scented. Oh, and you can see that's the price I got on Anthropology, from Anthropology. So you can really use it at any time. That's what I really love about this product, that it's not restricted to one regime. You can use it for anything. So you can use it for setting spray, you can use it throughout the day. I use it mostly, I haven't used it yet for makeup setting spray. I think it would be interesting to see how everything holds out. But I use it mostly if I'm having a day at home, I put on moisturizer, and I'm starting to feel a little bit dry. I'll spray some on my face and my face feels so clean and so nice. Now there were two. There is, I believe, actually 3 out at the moment. The other most popular one, I believe, has aioli, herbs and rosewater, but I really love cucumber and aioli, cucumber and green tea sound a lot more soothing than the herbs, rosewater and aioli. I mean, I'm not an expert on what would work better, but I feel for me this one was probably the best for my skin. So it has a little cap on it to keep it protected. And this is the cap. I really do like how this bottle is set out. It's got the greens going and the whites. I like how it's a chic look. It's a chic but simple look. So then this is what the spray looks like. So it comes out and you can, well, you can't smell it, but I can. And it smells really nice. It smells, I guess to describe it, if I have a breather of it, it smells like aioli and green tea mixed together. You can't really smell the cucumber as much, not that I think cucumber does have a smell, but it smells mostly like aioli and green tea. So if you're not too much of a tea fan, it might give you a bit of a headache. I'm not too sure. I know that some of my friends aren't fans of green tea, so they probably would go with the rose water and herbs, and that might suit them a bit better. But I do know that I'm not a big fan of herbs, so this is why I went with this one. So it does have a pumping sound, as you could hear when I pumped it out. So it is, I'd say, a medium-sized bottle. If I compare it next to a water bottle, you can see the size of it, and it's about medium size. So it's not the smallest of products I've seen, and it's probably enough to get you by for a few weeks. Yeah, a few weeks I'd say. But it isn't, so it's medium. So I'd say it can fit into most makeup bags, that is if you do have the space, just because this is a bit of, it can be bulky, but it can also fit in your bags. but not into pockets, not into small spaces. I would say it would probably get too cramped. I'd really like to try some more of Mario Badescu's skincare, but so far when I've used this, it's been really good. I really do enjoy spraying my face with it. It leaves my skin feeling moisturized, clean and clear. The only thing I'd say is that it really does have a bad taste. Do not try and attempt to taste this. It does not taste good. I sprayed it on my face and I got it on my lips, and I lick my lips involuntary just when it's just a thing I do. It's sort of like a tick. So I lick my lips and I licked it, and I had this on my face just in general, and I tasted it and it wasn't that good. So, you know, just be careful if you're eating food. If you're about to eat food and you spray this on, you'll have a bit on your lips and it might get into your food and it won't taste that good. Even if you're just licking your lips like I do, it'll definitely be something that you will definitely notice. So this bottle has 118 milliliters, and I think that's about it for the Mario Badescu facial spray. I haven't used it in a lot of various ways. Again, I just use it casually, so I think I'll try and use it a couple different ways and see how it works in different scenarios, in different order of my makeup routine or beauty routine. But otherwise, I'd recommend this. I really do love it. It is just something so simple, and it's almost like a home remedy again because it has the cucumber, the aloe, and the green tea. So I'd recommend this to anyone, and it has my approval. Thanks!